Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and this is week number 16 of our Unique Tuesdays. So if you haven't been to our Unique Tuesdays, every Tuesday we make something unique, we sell it for that day only, and then it's gone. So this week we have kind of a new journal. We made it for spring. We're calling it the Seabreeze. Here it is. So it comes in 5 sizes, and they're all the sizes and dimensions are on the product page. We use our sailboat leather. And inside there, it's just simple. And this leather is, look at how soft that is. It just feels so good. Here's the bead. You can see the beads on there. And let me give you a close-up of the bead and the stitch. So what we did is we took 2 of our thread colors and put them together on the knot, and then we used the white. And then these are really old African trade beads. They're glass or bone or something. And the thread matches actually the bead color there, and the sage matches this color. So we just took the sage in the dark blue and made the knot out of it. These books are individually, they have 2 refills in them. Each one is 40 pages, and they're individually removable. It's part of our innovative line. And like I said, they come in 5 sizes, 2 moleskin sizes, and 3 of our standard sizes. So thanks for watching. Check out the product page, and we'll see you next week. Bye.